Hello guys and welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix drywall. But I think first I need to explain what's happening with this wall. We were installing a countertop on the wall and this piece was really heavy. That's why I decided to open a drywall. Behind the installation you see the pieces I added. Just simple 2x4s here as well. And I used strut brackets to attach this countertop to the wall. So this is going to be a really easy project. You can do it too. And I'm going to show you right now what tools you need for this repair. This video is sponsored by Inokraft. I have a drywall sander and I have airless paint sprayer. The drywall sander will save a lot of my time when I'm going to be sanding drywall. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you my honest review about this product and let's get started. All the pieces prepared for the repairs, and here's the lumber that I'm gonna be using for the repairs and drywall screws. As you can see, the process is very easy. I just put a piece of wood behind the drywall and attach it with few screws, and that's it. Now I can put the repair piece back in place and attach it with screws. Then I repeat the same steps until all of the drywall pieces are installed. And now I'm gonna install the last piece. Through this hole I can see a 2x4 and I'm gonna install the first screw into it. So this is day 2, and as you can see, everything is dry and ready for the second coat. I like to use this 48 inches skimming blade for smoothing out drywall compound. I finished with the second coat and I think I would need just one more and everything is gonna be ready for the sanding. So everything is nice and dry and I need to do some touch-ups and apply third coat of matte compound. Let's do an unboxing and we will see what we have inside. You have everything you need in this box to start sanding. You have a vacuum hose and dust collection bag. You have sanding discs, an extension pole, and the sander itself. You have many different vacuum adapters so you can attach the sander to your vacuum. And you have safety goggles. The assembly is very easy. Unfold the handle and lock the folding lock. Connect the vacuum hose to the dust extraction port and rotate the extraction hose lock. Attach the sanding disc and you're ready to go. So now I'm gonna be testing sander. As you can see, everything is dry and ready for sanding. So here we have LED light. We can turn it on turn it off. So also we have a start button here. You can just push it and it starts working. This is the control how fast this disc is gonna be moving. So this is on the lower setting. This is the fastest. So I'm gonna start testing it right now. I'm gonna turn on LED light because I wanna see all of the imperfections. We have on the wall. I'm gonna start removing dust from the walls. So it's almost perfect. I need to repair tiny imperfections like this, and everything should be ready for painting. As you can see, everything is ready behind me, and I have all of my tools to start painting the walls. I did choose a white color. Everything is gonna be white. No more different shades of green. So I'm starting. If you guys have drywall project and if you value your time, you definitely need to buy this drywall sander. It's gonna save you a lot of time. Also, I've been using an airless paint sprayer for a while, and what I can say, it's a great addition for your DIY projects. I highly guys recommend you this company, Inokraft. I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can buy this product. You can also use 10% coupon, which is gonna end at the end of the December. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.